everyone, welcome to my channel. This will be a very short review on Vanlov hair. It is 24 inches of water wave, and Vanlov, you guys, is an Asian based company. And yeah, I'm initially showing you what I thought when I initially put this particular unit on. I'm actually thinking I love it. You know, I'm giving you looks. I'm playing around with it. I'm thinking, okay, this is a unit I could wear on my vacation. So right now you'll see that I'm showing you the inside of the unit. It's a lace front. It has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back. And it also has adjustable straps, you guys. So here I am showing you the front. Everything is all good, you guys, until I decide to braid the unit up to maintain the texture of the curls. And this is exactly what I see. What the heck is going on? Why does it look so thin at the top? Why do I see the wefts? You guys, look at this. Are you kidding me? Look at this. I can see the wefts. I was pissed, you guys. I was hot. Look at this. Really? Why is that piece sticking up like this? These aren't just flyaways, you guys. This is ridiculous. As you can see, I bleached my knots, and I think it took well to bleach, but it looks sort of like it's balding. What is going on with this, you guys? I look a hot mess. So I was like, well, let me try to salvage this hair a little bit. So I decided to take it out of the braids and see what I can do with it, you know? And so the actual curl pattern, I love. The texture, I actually love. What I hate is the construction of this unit. It's too thin at the top. You see that piece sticking up completely. What is that, you guys? Why is it sticking up like this? Vanlov, why did you send me a unit that looks like this? Are you kidding me? Why? Is this what you're sending to everybody else in their paint? Are you kidding me? Look at this, you guys. So I'm thinking, okay, I can try to salvage the hair, right? So I decided to go ahead and cut those big pieces that are sticking straight up out. Thinking, okay, maybe, you know, I could try to cover it up, you know. Let me just cut these big pieces out. But look how thin it looks at the top, you guys. And this density is supposed to be thick. I can't remember what the density was. I'm going to leave all the information to this unit down below. And I'm brushing it out thinking, okay, maybe I could work with this. I don't know. So I decided to use my Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls to, again, define the curls a little bit more, which it did. Again, I say I had no problem with the actual texture. What I have a problem with is the construction. So at this point, I'm thinking, okay, this may actually end up working, you guys. This may not be that bad, right? Look at, I'm using my water and my conditioner to define the curls even more. So I'm getting to the point where, like, okay, this may work. This may work until I see this. Whatever. I'm pissed, you guys. Go ahead. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Also follow me on my other social medias. Thanks for watching.